Today, I am just about to reveal a beginner-friendly method that will allow you guys to make money with CPA marketing without paying for any traffic and without having any skills. And you can literally make the same amount of money that I am making right now. But before that, if you are interested in making money online, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to connect to cpagrip.com, which is the main website we'll be using to promote products. You must register as a publisher here. You can read here why CPA Grip. This type of dashboard will appear when you create a publisher account. You can also see some testimonials about this website here. To begin CPA marketing, you must first register on this website. Simply provide your first and last name, as well as some basic information, and anyone may create an account. You are not required to fill out all of the fields. Simply fill out the required fields and agree to the terms and conditions, and you're good to go. Okay, I'm currently logging into this website using my credentials. You will see this type of dashboard after logging onto this website. Statistics and infographics, monetization tools, and offer tools are available on the left. We need this offer tool. From the offer tools, go to My Offers. This will take you to a page where you may select the offers that interest you. Take note of this. It is set here to all countries and categories. As a result, the CPA offers displayed here are available in all countries. For example, France is providing us with a $23 CPA offer. This is from Montenegro, and we get a $2 commission. But we don't want offers from different countries. We need to categorize this option. Here, we need to select countries United States, because these ones will have the best payout. Now, the offers that are showing are all from the United States. Then we need to select the category, which is email or zip submit. I prefer this category offers, because the conversion rate is pretty high in this category. There are quite a few different offers here, and all of them will have a pretty decent payout. Get your iPhone 14 Pro Max now. Enter your mobile number for a chance to win. And the commission is $2.44. From there, you can choose anyone, but here I am choosing this offer. Grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. The commission of the offer is $2.05. Let me explain how this works. If I send this link to other people, they click on it, and they will connect to this page, and also enter their email address. I'll receive a $2 payout. Not only that, they all give us this PayPal card as a giveaway. But to be very honest, I don't know whether or not that giveaway is real or not. What I do know is that, if I'm able to drive one person to the link, they sign up using their email, and everything goes fine, I will receive my payout. So I am making money without any skill. By the way, you can also check the website's current positions using SimilarWeb. Just copy the domain name and paste it over here, and it will show us everything. This website is founded in 2011. Its annual revenue is $2 to $5 million. More than 1.7 million people visit this website monthly. The visitors are coming from the United States, India, Bangladesh, the Philippines, Brazil, and so on. You can see the age range here. According to SimilarWeb, this is a good website for CPA marketing and have a good number of monthly visitors. So, we decided that we want to promote this offer. But the question is, how am I promoting this offer to make money? Here, I am showing you two ways of promoting. One is free but requires some work and time, but the other is paid, which requires 5 minutes of work per week. So, the free option is promoting CPA offers using social media. First, go to Instagram.com. What you need to do, you need to find some Instagram pages that are related to the United States. Then go to their follower section. Here, you will see all of their followers. From there, you need to find people that is from the United States. Then just follow and message them. I create a message template for you. Grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. Courtesy of PayPal. They are giving away 100 of their gift cards for testing purposes. You can sign up and simply grab your free one from here. You can copy the same message. Now you need to copy the offers link from here and paste it over here. And lastly, you should mention this line, limited offer. These words create an emergency and play a good role in conversion. Simply say hello, then copy and paste the template and send them a message. In this way, you can promote this offer using Instagram. I realize it's time consuming and not the ideal technique, but the free option requires some effort. Now, on Facebook, search for something similar to this PayPal gift card. And, as you can see, someone else has already posted something promoting the same product. And you should do the same. You need to find this type of group and post your offer. You can also create a poster image using Canva. This will enhance the number of people who interact with your posts. Basically, by using social media you can do this promotion. But I do not use this method to make money from CPA marketing. I use the paid version. And now I am going to reveal the paid promotion technique, but before that, if you feel you have gotten some value, consider subscribing. For paid promotion, you need to go to this website called Rapid Workers, Make Money Online. Let me briefly explain how this website works. You see, this is one of those sites where people can connect in order to complete very easy tasks for a certain payout. Following an account on Twitter, signing up on a certain website, opening a Gmail account, and so on are tasks that everyone who has ever used a personal computer and is connected to the internet can complete effectively. What you want to do is sign up for a free account. And I'm not going to show you that again, because I know you can do it. Once you've done it successfully, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see, there will be hundreds upon hundreds of different offers available, and as you can see, some of them will be highlighted in a specific color. As previously stated, you will only get paid $2 if the procedure is completed by someone from the United States. However, they are from different countries. That's why we need to apply a filter and alter it to the United States. Now, all of the campaigns you're viewing are from the United States, and we must create the same campaign to promote our services. Click on My Campaign to start a campaign. Then click on a new campaign. Moving on, you may choose your target audience, which in our scenario will be the United States. Now choose to sign up, because it is closer to entering your email address. And then, simple sign up. But now comes the most crucial part. You get to determine the fee that you will pay to everyone who enters their information. Set this to 2, and the worker's earnings will remain unchanged. And here's the kicker, you may also select the number of open slots. Here, the more people that respond to our offer, the more money we make. However, there is a minor disadvantage here. When it comes to available positions, if you enter an insanely big number, such as 10,000, the campaign cost will increase to $2,140.75. However, if I adjust this number to 50, the cost becomes $11.45. If you get 50 email signups, your profit will be $1.80 multiplied by 50. Which equals $90. And if you earn a profit from this website, you can reinvest it and use the approach to create even more money. You must now provide a title and description here. I'm using the same title since it's catchy. Then, if desired, highlight these assignments. It will cost some cents, but it is not required. After filling out all of the fields, simply click the Submit Campaign button. And your campaign will look something like this. If you look at the available jobs right here, you'll realize that the majority of them are extremely similar to the ones we developed. This is an excellent method of generating traffic without having a large social media presence. You are basically paying individuals pennies to input their email addresses. It has been proven to work, which is why we see so many postings here. So, at this point, you've got everything you need to make it work. All you have to do now is put it into action. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and turn on the notifications for discovering new online income opportunities daily.